Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today's video is about my toy guns. First toy gun is this one I got from Walmart for $9. For $9. $9. Got for my birthday. It used to work but the battery's broken. Okay, just wait. And this one is the MP5K I got from Dollar General. It cost me $5 for just one and have a grip. You can put it on. See, let's go show this now. It flashes. Okay, next one is this Uzi I got from a market. It's a cheap airsoft gun. It shoots 6mm bullets. It's a spring gun, see? This is the mag it used. With many bullets. But there's no bullets in there because I ran out. The next one is this. This one is a pistol, a Glock 18. I have a mag, but I don't know where is it. It says one of the great pistols that come with this pack. I got from Dollar General, cost $5. They have a second pistol, it broken. It used to have a slide, you can slide it, but this one you can't. They both have a removable rack. Yeah. That's all guns I have here. Subscribe and like and comment about the video. Bye. About the video. Bye.